Welcome to Shengen here in Dongguan, China. And I am Hannah. Today, let me show you why top engineers come to us for their custom AI server Shengen.
Because when housing high-performance GPUs, heat is your biggest enemy. We laser-cut high-density ventilation arrays with plus and minus 0.05 mm precision. Look at this! You get maximus airflow with zero structural warping. Heavy GPU clusters demand rigid support. We use multi-band forming and precision PEM stud insertion to guarantee absolute stability. Because when mounting motherboards, there is zero room for error. Our plus and minus 0.1 mm bending accuracy ensures a perfect fit right out of the box. If you need help tweaking your design, our in-house engineers offer full DFM support. From EMI shielding to premium service finish, we've got every detail covered.
We are your true manufacturing partners with 3-day rapid prototyping and low MOQ. Send us your step file today and let's build something great.